Hey everyone, this is Shreya and welcome to Learnomate Technology's YouTube channel. Today I want to share how Learnomate is transforming the careers of thousands of students in the IT industry. Our visionary leader, Ankush Sir, is the founder and CEO of Learnomate Technology Private Limited. His mission is simple yet powerful, a step towards the bright future. In today's growing IT sector, companies are eager to reward those with the right skill set. That's where Learnomate comes in. We guide students to acquire the knowledge they need and secure placements in top IT companies. Whether you're already in the IT sector seeking to enhance your skills, a student aspiring to enter the IT industry, or someone in a different field want to switch in IT, we've got you covered. Learnomate offers comprehensive training in various technologies, including Oracle DBA, Data Analyst, Data Engineer, Data Science, and more. If you find yourself lacking the necessary knowledge or skills, don't worry. Reach out to our dedicated team, and we'll provide the solutions you need to make your career shine in the world of IT. Let's make your journey brighter together.